do just that. I've done it. You don't need to mute yourself. I've done it for you. If at any time you need to unmute, you can come to the screen and do that yourself. Let me explain what happened this morning. So, KB Strong session. We have got 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off in the first hit. So you'll have like six moves that we put together to form a complex. We'll do that on the right side, then do it on the left side, and then do it in reverse on right and left. Then we've got a bit of a cheesy finisher at the end. Quite a big warm-up though this morning to get it going, because I want to be very load orientated with your weights. So I'm just going to stick the tunes on. Give us a thumbs up if that's working. Okay, can everyone hear the music okay? Superb. Guys, feel free to change the view at any time. So remember, on your electronic device, you can scroll through and find me. Right, so 6 of 6 warm-up, okay? So 6 pairs of heel flips, 6 pairs of high knees, 6 side shuffles is going to be our first hit, okay? Ready? So in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now over to the side because we're shuffling. Touchdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 3 moves. So spotted dog, squats, push-ups. So spotted dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. 6 squats. 1, 2, keep the hands in. 3, 4, 5, 6 onto the floor. 6 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get up. That's 1 round of 6. We go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. High knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Side shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the side on. Hot dog. Squat. Nice. Push-ups. Press forward. Lovely. 2 down. Up we come. Ready, go. High knees. Side shuffle. Good guys, keep this going. Body dog. Nice squat. Deeper every set, please. Lovely. Push up. Okay, so this is going to bring us halfway. Up. Round 4. Ready, go. That heat should be building now. Side shuffle. Body dog. Squat. Deeper still. Chest upright. Nicely done. Push-ups to finish round 4. 2 to go after this. Here we go. Let's do this. Are you nice and warm? You should breathe. Here we go. Heart rate should be up. Nearly there, come on. Squat it down. Push up. This is it. Sixth and final one, game on. My knees. Shuffle. Love it, guys. You did super. Keep this up. Nice, strong attack into that warm up. Got some push ups to finish. Come on, work with me. Well done. Okay, a little bit of mobility. So, knee layer, keep it nice and warm. When the temperature's up, it has been effective. Done exactly what it says on the tin, warm you up. So from here, nice big stride. Push the hip forward. Gonna rock and pull. Rock, pull. 2, 3, 4, to hamstring to hip flexor. 5, one more, 6. Switch sides. So hip flexor and hamstring. 6, yeah, ready? So 1, pull in. 2, 3, 4, 5, one more, 6. We need to get a little bit of T-spine now. So from here, putt position, we're gonna do 6 reps in total. We're gonna go into an atomic load, frog step, tee up. So, atomic load, frog step, tee that up, okay? Feel free to add the groin reach in. 6 in total, no rush. Number 3, good. 4, 5, one more. 6, okay, so box position. Box position, okay, we're gonna have that kick through and pull. So we're gonna draw the hand into the side of the chest. So we take that leg and float it out. It's almost like your thumbs didn't kiss the floor, 6 each side. So that's 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. Love it. Final one, okay? Box position again, under leg switch, crab reach. So from that box, we go under, drive up, and we reach over. You're gonna take your time. Up and over. Keep that going, it's coming onto screen. You keep working though. Well done. 4, 3, 2, and relax, team. Thank you very much. Okay, just by way of a quick thumbs up, nice and warm, feel stretched, feel ready. Oh, I feel honoured. I feel honoured that you lifted 2 hands, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. Right, so this is going to be a good day. Right, okay, so here's what we need. Kettlebell, always a good start. So I've said to you, we're going to have 45-second blocks. There's going to be 6 of them. We're going to build a complex together. So if you've got jewelry on, sports watches, stuff like that, get that all off, okay? So essentially, it's 45 seconds of single arm swings at the minute to start the complex, because it's going to be our base move. I'm not looking for you to get them all done in a row, all right? So I might, for example, do 3 at a time, 2, 3, and on that third one, set and reset, okay? This is like a strength endurance workout, okay? So just bear that in mind, you're gonna have up to 6 minutes on the right-hand side, 6 minutes on the left, all right? Any questions? Unmute now. No, good, right, I'm gonna stick some tunes on. Okay, music's going to lead us in.
To the Pure Energy HIIT workout. Your training starts.
Sounds familiar, Gemma?
4, 3,
Ready?
2, 1.
Let's go. Okay, so 45 seconds of swings. All right, breaking it down, okay? It's important not to go overboard. Think of it almost like kind of technique rehearsal, getting and embedding the technique of that single arm swing. So that meet and greet, yeah? So hinge through, meet, meet, meet it. Are you hinging? See, non-kettlebell arm coming through to the side, because it should be, okay? Embed all those good teaching points. Okay, get 15-second rest. So now we're going to add in a clean, all right? So from here, same side. I want swing, clean, swing, clean. Ready? Time on. So again, you might do like 3 in a row, for example. Let's go. So swing, clean, swing, clean. Meet it. Greet it, rack it in tight. All right, make sure you're racking in tight. Let's go, team, keep going. Nicely done. I've got you on gallery view. If you need to change that view, then you change it. Remember about that rack position. So Mark, when you rack, make sure that the kettlebell sitting horizontally across the chest. That's good, Sam. Right, next move. We're going to do a full cycle now, so we add in the press. So look, 1 swing, clean, press.
4, 3.
All right, let's go. So from the floor, 1 swing, 1 clean, press. Back to the chest, to the bum, down to the floor. Reset, go again. Drag, swing, clean, press. In tight, through and down.
Halfway there.
Keep it going, you're looking good. You're gonna be adding in that windmill as well today. So that volume should be building up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Well done. Okay, so listen, we're gonna add in a windmill. So once it's up at the top,
Ready.
you're gonna take a little step forward. You're gonna hinge over and up, and then back in.
2, 1.
Let's go, put it all together. So from here, swing, clean, press, hold it up. Step forward to the non-kettlebell leg, only a little bit. Stick the arse out. Elbow, aiming towards that front knee. Up, back in, down. Go again. Swing, clean, press. Little step, hinge, keep the legs long. Keep with it. Long straight arm up to the sky.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, nice team. Nicely done. Okay, so with 4 moves in, we're going to stay strong. Then we're going to add in a reverse lunge. Okay, so we're just adding on.
4, 3,
Ready?
2, 1.
Let's go. Swing. Clean. Press. Step. Set. The windmill. We can have that hand down. Up. Step back in. You can keep the arm up or re-rack it. Reverse lunge. Bring it in. Down. Go again.
Halfway there.
Good. Looking good, team. Come on.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Right, so we've only got one more move to add in. That's going to be our front squat. So after the reverse lunge,
Get
rack
ready.
it, sitting up. All right? Good luck.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Swing, clean, press. That's 3 moves so far. Step to the windmill. Move 4 of 6. Arm stays up, reverse lunge. 5 of 6. Rack and hold. Set the arm. Front squat.
Halfway
There's your 6 moves. Let's go again. We're nearly there. We're going to get recovery in a minute. Keep working.
3, 2, 1. Round 1 is complete.
That's a great start. So make sure you rest and stop. Make sure you rest and stop. Lovely. Okay, so everything we've just done on our right arm, we're now going to do on our left. Remember that the swing is the foundation of that movement. So it's the thing we do first. When we embed the clean, we must make sure that we take ownership of the kettlebell. Hand to the chest, elbow in, and the kettlebell ends up sitting horizontally across the
Your
chest.
training continues.
Never out here.
In 4,
Here.
3,
Left arm, single arm
2,
swings.
1.
Let's go. I want to see these swings. So that non-kettlebell arm should be coming up and meeting the kettlebell. All right, you bring the non-kettlebell arm, meet and tap the kettlebell. Good, so mark that right arm. You need to tap the kettlebell when it's out in front of you, mate. Literally tap the kettlebell. We call that the meet, all right? You meet the kettlebell. Nice, Danny. Dude, remember what I just taught you? Meet the kettlebell, yeah? You need to embed these teaching points. Keep it going. Good, G. Nicely done, Lauren. Good pull back there, Mel. Well done. Good starting set position. Okay, good. So we're going to embed and bring in the clean. So this is your meet and greet. Yeah? So let's listen and watch. When I swing, meet the kettlebell.
4,
Meet it,
2, 1.
greet it. Yeah? Meet, greet. This non-kettlebell arm. Okay, look. Meet, greet. A blade. The hand is a blade. You meet and greet. Meet and greet.
Halfway there.
Everyone show me that blade hand as a non-kettlebell hand. That's it. There's the meet. And the greet, remember to bring the non-kettlebell hand up as well. Yeah, meet and greet.
3, 2, 1.
Yes. Okay, so now we're gonna add in our press. Meet, greet, press.
Get ready.
Unsure, watch. Meet,
4, 3,
greet,
2, 1.
press. Let's go. Meet, greet, press. Meet, greet, press. All right? The limiting factor should be the weight of that kettlebell. Right, that's going to dictate how many reps you can get done. It's going to dictate how fast you can move. Yeah? Your ownership of it is going to dictate the quality. So own it. I say it with kettlebells all the time. Can't afford to be scared of it. Come on, commit.
3, 2, 1.
Yes. Next stage of the commit, we're adding that windmill, okay? So, we're up at the top.
Get ready.
Non-kettlebell leg steps forwards. I rotate. We hinge.
3,
Best thing we can do is look up at the kettlebell. Let's go. Meet. Breathe. Press. Strong in the wrist. Hinge. It's either elbow to knee or hand to the floor. But lift that ass up. All right?
halfway there.
Whoa. Keep it going. Gallery view in ya. Nicely done.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. Okay, so when we do that windmill, it's just literally like almost having one foot stepped in front of the other. All right.
Get ready.
We're going to be adding in our reverse lunge.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Swing. Clean. Press. Take that, look, it's literally a tiny little step. Just enough to allow me to drive that ass out, back. And then going to keep the weight up. And then I'm going to step back, hit that reverse lunge. Rack it in, and I take it down. Come on! Whoa. You can do it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Lovely. One final move. To end round 2 of 4.
Get ready.
All right, front squat. Are we ready?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good. Gun again. Make it count. Whoosh. Is it wrong to be strong? Never. Never bloody never. Strength is resilience. All right? Let's see that squat. Wait, Lossa. Down, up, bang. Woo. All right, let's test it. Come on, Bowen.
Round 2 is complete.
Lovely. Okay, show me on your hands. How you feeling out of 10? How tired? How tired out of 10 are you? Yeah? 6s, 7s, 8s? Good, right. 9s, yeah, I'm there as well. Mine's killing me today.
Get ready.
Right, we're gonna do the whole thing in reverse. So back to the right hand. The move we've done the least is the squat. So rack, front, squat, only. So you'll swing the least.
Your
You understand?
training continues.
Yeah, rack up,
4, 3,
rack it up.
2, 1.
I'm watching. That's it, right, okay, so there's a reason why I'm watching. Like, it's because you're lazy? No. All right, the wrist. Yeah, and funny enough, I just see someone scratch theirs. So this is bad news, all right? You need a strong wrist. The test should be that you can blade, and this is the kettlebell.
Wait there.
So look, strong wrist, I can blade hand. If I let that wrist go, that load moves away, I feel too much strain there. So that's the horizontal that I'm talking about, all right? Well done. Good. Okay, so from there, we're going to add in squat into reverse lunge. I'd recommend staying in rack position, but feel free to press for the reverse lunge.
4,
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Same side. Let's go. Squat. Hit the lunge. Hit the squat. Hit the lunge. All right. Keep it going. Good confidence, team. G, just get that elbow in, my lovely.
4,
On that right, that's a girl. Good work, mate.
1.
Well done. Okay, now come off the windmill. So after the lunge, we're gonna need to press her up, and we're gonna go into that hinge.
4, 3, 2.
Game on! What? Lunge. We need it up. We take that little step, we rotate, and we hinge. Here we go. Squat. Reverse lunge. And you can even make this a bent press. Drive and hinge into it. Whee. Keep that going. Coming into look again. This is quite technical today, so look up at that kettlebell, Mark. Look up at the kettlebell. Whenever we do that windmill, eyes on that kettlebell all the time. Put that weight to that back leg, Gemma. Nice. Good. Looking strong. Okay, so we add in a shoulder press. After the windmill, down and back up. Are we ready?
4, 3,
Tell us yes.
2, 1.
Game on, let's go. Remember, like I said, if you don't want to see me, scroll through, squat, reverse lunge. So you need the weight up. Now look at it. Take a little step forward that left leg and put the weight into the back leg. Push your ass away. Good, and then another press. Back in. Well done. Start it all again.
Halfway there.
Halfway through, my beauties. That is a brilliant windmill, Mrs. Parker. Very good. Okay. As is that Rebecca. Good skills. It's all about offering me the angles so I can see the feedback. Go on, Danny.
3,
Go on, mate.
2, 1.
Nice, Danny. Trying that bent press. I can see that, brother. Well done, mate. Okay, so after the press, we need a clean. So we're going straight to the arse, back up to the chest. All right, I'm going to put me into it so you can see in case you're unsure. So we're squatting, lunging, we're hitting that windmill. We need a shoulder press in there, and then arse, back to chest. There's the clean. All right. So squat, lunge. Up she goes to the windmill. Whoosh. Need that strict press. Oh, this is tough, eh? And then there's that clean. All right, come on. Go on, Devon. You got it, brother.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, listen. Final attack. What do we need to add in? Show me with the arm. You got it, the swing. All right,
Get ready.
get ready. Load up.
4, 3, 2.
Here we go. Squat. Lunge. Press it up. Windmill. Nice. Street press. Clean. So arse back to chest. Now one swing. Good. Then get it back on the chest.
Halfway there.
Do it again. Another squat. Lunge. Good, Rebecca. Give us that good morning, mate. Go on, confident. Well done, Lauren.
4, 3, 2.
Lauren, very good. Team, I am proud. This is great. It's always tough when I stick in that good morning. It's a technical exercise. It ain't easy at all right? It's just about building the confidence. You don't have to go all the way down. It's about trying to get that rotation plus that hinge effectively. And so what the spine is able to do is able to flex and twist at the same time. So that's what we're trying to get it to do, all right? Team, really good. Let's do this on the left side now. Front squat, reverse lunge are our first 2 moves. Any questions? Ask now.
Your training continues in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oh, here we go. So I'm locked in, nice and tight. Down into that squat. Drive it up. Down and up. Take your time with it, don't rush. Down and up. Nice strong squeeze of the glutes at the top.
Halfway there.
Get what you can, break the reps down. Be strong, be strong. You're looking so good this morning, team. Come on.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Love it, well done. Okay, so we're gonna add in that reverse lunge. So stand in that rack position. I'm gonna be looking at your wrists.
4,
Load up.
3, 2, 1.
Nice, good. So Gemma, you're quite far away there, mate. Just come forward a little bit just so I can assess that wrist. Looks all right. Yeah, that's cool, go on, you're fine. Well done. Well done, team. Good, Mark. Brilliant, mate. Well done. You've got that now, brother. Good stuff.
Halfway there.
Good, Danny. Dig in, buddy. Dig in. All right, and that 20's calling you for the legs, though, mate. Go on, G. That looks pretty beefy bow from that kettlebell you're looking at using there, G.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Well done. Good. That's the brand, mate. Spin it around.
Ready.
Right, okay. All right, okay, good. Right, so from here, so that's well, windmill, yeah? Windmill.
2, 1.
Let's add in that windmill. Let's go. So, squat, lunge, windmill. So, from here, squat, lunge. You need that drive up. That's my non-kettlebell leg. Look, it's a small step. So I'm sidearm. I've literally just taken a tiny step forward. But I push my ass back. A little bend in the knees. Loads of hip hinge. Legs long, looking up. All right? Squat. Lunge.
4,
Take it up.
3,
Little step.
1.
Then into that hinge. Right, good. Looking strong.
Get ready.
Okay, so we're gonna add in that strict shoulder press, yeah?
3,
Move 4.
1.
Let's go. Up. The squat. Lunge. The windmill. You should be sweating. There's a windmill. Bring that in. Push. And that press. I'm sweating. Come on. Oh.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. We need need that clean, don't we, yeah? Arse the chest. That's the kettlebell.
4, 3, 2.
Okay, let's do this then. So from here, I think we're just completing the cycle once with the chain. Squat, lunge. There's your good morning. Your windmill, good morning, one of that. From there then the press. Bring it back in. And that clean. Then you can take that down. Let's go, go, go. Come on. I understand you're going to need that recovery time now. Take ownership. Believe in your movement.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, we are nearly there. Can you Adam and Eve it? What are we adding in?
Get ready.
The swing. Yeah? Okay, you've done amazing.
4, 3.
Move 1, the squat, let's go. Bring it up. So move 1, squat. Move 2, lunge. Move 3, set your windmill. Then perform the windmill. Move 4, the press. Move 5, the clean, arse the chest. Now 1 swing. Yes!
Halfway there.
Do it again! Come on! This is where having me on screen is off-putting. All right, let's dig in. Come on. Dig deep. Believe, believe, believe. Wrist.
4,
Keep it strong.
3, 2, 1. Your training is now complete.
That is
Well done.
what we like to call bloody awesome. All right, well done. That is a tough chain to learn, and it is even tougher to do it in reverse as well, because there's the advantage of building up through the hips. So well done to you. Right, we've got like a 10-minute finisher. Is that a finisher or is that just cruel? 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We're going to play around with big two-handed movements plus add in body weight as well. So you're only going to end up doing 5 kettlebell exercises and 5 doses of a body weight exercise. All right, 50-10. First kettlebell move is a kettlebell swing, double hand. So there are lots of variants. You can do a normal swing, squat swing, American swing. You can mix it up. You can do a few of each. You can put it together like a complex. So feel free to watch the screen and join in with me. Okay, I'm going to put the music on. Cheesy woman coming up.
Welcome to the Pure Energy KSX
Welcome.
HIIT workout. Get ready.
Right, 50 seconds.
Exercise 1 begins.
I'm going to do things in doses of 5, all right?
2, 1.
Here we go. Right, so we're going to go 5 double swings. If you like cheesy music, this next 10 minutes is going to change your life. Okay? Now I'm going to go for a squat swing next. All right, so I hinge, stick, as it goes out. Then I'm going to go for an American swing. Woo! Come on, let's keep this up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, 10-second breather, and it's literally just a 50-second plank. All right, on the elbows,
4, 3,
nothing more easy.
1.
Here we go. Hold.
I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set.
I encourage you to sing along.
I got my mind set on you.
I won't hurt your eardrums by doing it.
Set on you.
Hold it strong.
Take money.
You're gonna make it tougher. Just slide away a little bit. Increase that lever length
Halfway there.
between your elbows and your toes. All right?
I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on
Come on.
you.
on, guys, don't quit on me.
Set on you. I got my mind
4,
set.
3, 2, 1.
Well done. Right, that is one cycle of 5.
Ready.
So we go again. Mix up your
4,
swings.
3, 2.
I'm gonna do exactly what I did last time. So 5, normal. Now why am I choosing 5? Because with this particular weight, as you can hopefully hear, that works for me, okay? So if you're an impulse, swing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Halfway there.
Racing here all the time. Woo! American swings coming up. Squeeze that bum at the top of the rep.
10 seconds to go.
Then we go again, yeah?
3, 2, 1.
Rest.
Get ready.
Plank.
4,
Ready?
2, 1.
Go. Let's come in and have a little look. Have a little look at you. Hopefully you're on view. Okay, so arse is not too high up in the air. Brace the belly button. If you're able to, increase the distance between your elbows and your toes. And it needs to be a centimetre. Keep those hips down a little lower. Squeeze your bum, tense your thighs, engage your abs. Try not to bounce
10 seconds
it.
to go.
Hold it strong. Come on, boysies.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! 2 down, 3 to
Get
go.
ready. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Ah. Don't make it easy. Choose a rep scheme that challenges you. Whoosh. Oh. Come on, Tim. Keep rocking.
Seconds to go. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, so, I'm managing to get through it plus a bit. So I need to up it by 1 rep next time.
4, 3, 2,
Plank.
1.
Hold it! Come on! Absolutely steady. Rock solid strong. Keep with me, team. Keep that tension. I see you. Get in that plank. Come on. Good. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
10 seconds to go.
10 seconds to go.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Right, guys, you know what to do. Should be everything you don't want to do.
4, 3, 2,
Time on. Hot swing. You've got it, come on.
halfway there.
This American swing's killing me today.
seconds to go.
Good work.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Plank time.
Get
The songs
ready.
get worse before they get better.
4, 3,
Ready?
2, 1.
Go. Minimize any bounce. You stay solid. You stay strong. Stay with me. Come on. We've got one more round after this.
Halfway there.
You're doing great. Come on, Danny. All that body forwards, mate. Head up a little bit. Don't be looking back. That's it. Long and strong. Give yourself a visual target. Imagine running towards something.
10 seconds to
Come
go.
on, don't drop. Hold strong. We'll be taken down.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes. One to go.
Get ready.
I'm watching. All right, get up.
4,
Swings.
2,
Let's
1.
go. This is it. You've done amazing. Stop giving me all that floppy arm rubbish. Tense up. The heat is on. Right, good. So I'm seeing lots of normal double arm swings. Oh, hello. Squat swings in the house. Who's got some squat swings for me? So remember, as that kettlebell goes out, you sit. Yes, Rebecca.
Halfway there.
Halfway. Who's got some Americans? Oh, they're in. Look at these warriors go. Woo.
10 seconds to go.
Come on. Get them last few
4,
swings in.
3, 2, 1.
Absolutely phenomenal. Right, last plank,
Get
last bit of the
ready.
workout. Long and strong.
4, 3,
It's a 50-second argument with yourself. You're in. Let's go, Sam. Right, now, listen. I'm going to threaten you. If you do not make your plank lever length longer by increasing the distance from your elbows to your toes, I will sing. No one needs that. Mark has instantly increased the distance from his elbows to his toes. He knows.
Halfway there.
Claire's now joined in. At first she felt threatened, but she's found strength in numbers. Now, I've not seen enough of you yet increase that lever length. Danny's now joining in. That's it, come on.
10 seconds to go.
Come on, Mel and Lauren, you're out of sight, but not out of mind. I hope you're not just laying on the floor.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Your workout is complete. Well done.
Team, that is brilliant today. Well done. Grab a drink, have a breather, then we'll take you through a quick stretch, okay? 10-2, I think I started a couple of minutes late, so if any of you do need to disappear for work, feel free. Those of you that can, please stay on. Brilliant, team. I hope you enjoyed that this morning. I did, so hopefully you guys did too. Right, let's just move that screen a bit. What an album. Great album. Come on, listen to this today. Right, okay, bend the knees, thumbs out, slowly roll on the side of the hip. Squeeze that knee down. Blended. Coming up and across, give it a little floss first. Then switch over. If you roll, so that foot goes to the floor. Then it's opposite hand to the knee. That squeeze. Onto the side. Foot up towards the bum. Sole into the front of the thigh for a quad stretch. Other side. Brilliant, team. Okay, so we're going to do hamstrings and hip flexors in one dose, a bit like we done in the warm-up. So nice long stride. Do the hip flexor first, so push the hip forward. We'll double that up by hitting the triceps as well. So look, long side of the body. I'm going to take this hand into the back, looking up at the elbow, and I want to see what the elbow is hiding. So I get loads of length all down this right hand side. I'm then going to stay in that position. I'm just going to rock the hips back, drive onto the heel, and I can either then reach towards the toes or find a little bit of support from fingers to floor, focusing on the stretching those hamstrings. Good, other side. So push through from the hip. Arm goes up, into the back. Trying to look for what the elbow's hiding. And from there, hinge, fingers down. Lovely, good. Arms out in front of you, just open up the upper back, make it as big as you can. Hands on the lower back, lifting open the chest. Fold the shoulders and twist out. So from one JT fan to another, ladies and gents, it's been a real pleasure having you on screen today. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Feel free to come in and shout abuse, etc. See you soon. Thank you, yo.
Thanks, Brett.
You're more than welcome. Cheers, guys.
Thanks, Brett.
Have a
See you
good day.
later. Thank you. Bye.
Oh no.
Bye.
See you later, kiddies. Be good. Nice to see you all. Well done. Cheers, Danny.
I'll get out.
See you later, G.
Bye.